Hi, I am Ramona Samuels and welcome to the Culture Roundup. It's August 2025 and the dancehall and reggae world just leveled up. I've got the freshest updates hot off the culture press. Let's drop them. Chronixx has finally announced a brand new album, Exile. He revealed it live on stage at Reggaeland UK. He played one of the songs from the project while performing, so we're looking forward to that one.
Don't be afraid when the serpent reveals his true face.
Original.
Skillibeng just earned his very first RIAA Gold certification in the US thanks to the track Jump with Tyler and Gunna. That's not just a plaque, that's a statement. Dancehall is hitting global airwaves on verse power. Rototom Sunsplash is bringing its full energy to Spain from August 16 to 23 for its 30th anniversary. And yes, Ramona Samuels TV for the second year has been officially accredited to give you coverage live from Benicassim, Spain, and the Jamaican artists who will be representing for the culture this year are Spice, Ken Booth, Burning Spear, Ika Mouse, Yardcore, Mortimer, Mad Professor, Nadine Sutherland, Shaggy, Sister Nancy, Kimani, Marley, Jazzy T, Coffee, Marcia Griffiths, and Ivorian West African star Tikenja Fakoli. Big beachside vibes, a Marley tribute plus the Wailers and Reggae University dropping knowledge sessions. It's a cultural takeover there, amalgamating all different vibes in Benicassim, Spain. Can't wait, so excited. Also, Notting Hill Carnival is official and locked in. Panorama Steel Band Day is Saturday the 23rd. Children's Day is Sunday the 24th of August. And the Adults Parade is Monday the 25th. There is a new conversation around the ticketing this year. Some say it's for safety, others say it might kill Carnival's vibe. I don't know, the debate is bubbling. And on the charts in Jamaica,
oh my nights, oh my back shit. Love sign to me. Where them not like progress. See my band get the riches, I wanna go bend. Voodoo, you know for all your money. Yeah, but we okay.
Next to the Van Cleef, yes. Boy, chips say cheese. Yes, we like any pastry. Yes, grab that me out of wood.
the Dancehall Top 25 for August keeps lighting up, keeps moving around. Artists and DJs tap into those top tracks, figure them out, because as I said, they keep moving around, songs being released, and everybody's just in the studio working hard as ever. Make sure that you tag me in these new songs just in case, so I can get a hit off of it as well, and I'm listening in case I missed any out. Max Romeo, the reggae legend, his family is continuing with the lawsuit against the label that he sued. It's a stark reminder about ownership rights and catalog respect, no matter how long it takes, no matter who you are, no matter how big the label is. And that's good that Max Romeo's family is following up with that, as they should. Now, I didn't include any independence updates because some Jamaicans believe that Jamaica isn't independent, and when I look into things, are we? I mean, we have a Governor General, for crying out loud, and we are literally a part of the Commonwealth, and the head of the Commonwealth is the King. Let's break down what the Commonwealth is. The Commonwealth is a voluntary association of 56 independent equal countries. Jamaica is one of them, all right, most of which were formerly part of the British Empire. It's a platform for cooperation and collaboration on shared goals like democracy, development, and peace. All right, the Commonwealth works to promote human rights, the rule of law, and sustainable development among its member states. So it depends on your perspective. You can say if Jamaica were independent or not, but based on this definition, Commonwealth, a group of voluntary independent states. So Jamaica has voluntarily, in 1962, stayed within the Commonwealth because we were a part of the British ruling. We were a part of the monarchy, and staying in the Commonwealth means that we're still in the monarchy. So there's a conversation heated around that on TikTok. You can put your views in the comments. I'm still going to say happy independence to Jamaica while still, using my peripheral vision, giving them that side eye. Are we an independent state? You give your take. All right, hit like, hit subscribe, and drop your most August cultural moment. In the comments, remember to like, share this video as well, and don't be afraid to leave that comments. We're giving you that one there again. All right, I'll feature the best August cultural moment in the next video. Love you every time. Remember, you can follow Ramona Samuels on TikTok at one Ramona Samuels. You can follow me on Instagram at Ramona Samuels, and you can also follow the Voicebox, which is the producer of this video, on Instagram at the Voicebox since 2010. All right, big up yourself every time. Love you.